Changing the password to your NVR or hybrid DVR is very easy. To begin, you must make sure you are logging into your security system using the Platinum Client login on a Windows computer using Internet Explorer. First, click the Configuration tab located on the top of the page. Once the configuration page has loaded, click User Management under the System menu found on the left side of the page. Now, select the user you wish to change the password for. Then click Modify. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to change the password for the user you selected. Click OK to save your changes, and you've successfully changed the password to a user on your hybrid DVR or NVR.